too. M phases.
My terminology and I the scene on the man.
Yeah! Ha! Here it, and here it comes. Check it. You know, man, raps, so many styles, so many definitions. I'ma speak on some of mine. Check it out. I got raps ready in place specifically. Right around parts suffering from rhymes ability to pin a chicken, ridicule and prick souls relentlessly. Acupuncture pins stimulate rap's purity. Suckers rambling out in perspectives on reality, accustomed to poison. Fond of snake battling. After people stop realizing, pedal back to see. Reasoning and patterns serving ruin as a penalty. Something might give. Remove affliction and part of systems reflecting a pseudo service to kids loving raps, records and promotions. Sales revenue accumulates problem servicing the devoted, innocent and ignorant minds alike. Receptive and persuaded by successful rappers achieving positions, skipping right along plights. We search, rescue and provide sight revealing answers, proving spiritual to end life's rap.